Black Americans are less likely to seek mental health care, but statistically experience anxiety disorders and higher rates of depression. That's according to a number of recent studies, including one from Columbia University. I sat down with the local counseling team at Brighter Tomorrow in the East Valley for some insight into why and how they're trying to change that. For Black History Month specifically, I really wanted to touch on mental health within the Black community. Are people less inclined to attend therapy or look for help?
For me, I feel like people are willing to talk to a therapist more than so before. But specifically for the Black community, it's still a little stigma there. And then also just knowing that maybe they can't afford therapy.
Outside of the finances and the social stigma, do we feel that there are other reasons behind that disparity?
Specifically for my patients or my clients, they just feel unheard. They'll go to a doctor and the doctor will just say, oh, you're just a woman, you're just going through woman things, and not having the support that they need. A lot of women, especially Black women, are single, so we don't have the support, so we're always having to just be on survival mode.
I want to kind of go even deeper into that community and specifically focus on Black women and their mental health. Data-wise, we are less likely to seek help.
For Black women, you know, it's tough. And even seeking help can sometimes be hard because a lot of Black women just don't have the time. They're taking care of their kids. A lot of them are at home, single mothers.
I feel like as Black women, we are more likely to have heart attacks and, heart conditions simply because of the fact that we're less likely to take care of ourselves because we're always taking care of others.
And then also the aspect of nothing's wrong with you. You just need to pray about it, or you need to let it go.
Now, how can we go about countering the stigma of seeking help?
I think part of it is seeing someone who looks like you that's a therapist, making more awareness, I think, in the communities.
So I always encourage my clients, let your family know that you're in therapy. It's okay, because when they see that you're in therapy, then they're gonna see the changes that you're making and know that it's working and it's helpful. And I'm always encouraging my team to tell their family and friends that they're therapists.
Why is it so important to reach out to get professional help?
It's a journey, right? And so sometimes everybody doesn't come along on the journey. And sometimes you're not gonna tell everything to your friends and family and not feel like you're being judged.
With your therapist, that disappears.
There's just so many different ways that you can get therapy. Therapy online, in your home. You can also attend group therapy.
So there's no reason that you shouldn't be able to go and talk with someone.
No excuse.
It may look ugly at first, but it'll
Yes.
get,
it's a journey.
It's a journey.
It's a journey. Yvette also says it's important to know the resources available to you if you are looking for a therapist. You'll be able to find more information about Better Together counseling services and other services that could help if you need it in this story on our website, ktnv.com. In the studio, I'm Anyssa Bohanan.